You know what's strange? We spend over a decade in school, yet no one teaches us how money actually works. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki shares two voices, the one of his educated but financially poor dad, and the one of his uneducated but wealthy mentor. And that contrast? It changes everything. 1. The rich don't work for money. Poor dad said, get a safe job and work hard. Rich dad said, make money work for you. The rich buy assets. The poor buy liabilities but call them assets. The lesson? If you work only for a paycheck, you're trading your time for money. Real wealth comes when money works, even while you sleep. 2. Financial education is everything. Schools teach us to memorize facts, but they rarely teach us how to think about cash flow, investing, or passive income. Rich Dad focused on learning about money. Reading, trying, failing, adjusting. In his words, the more you learn, the more you earn. 3. Assets versus liabilities. Know the difference. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. A house? Could be both. A business? If it's cash flowing, it's an asset. The rich keep buying assets. The poor keep buying stuff. 4. Don't fear mistakes, fear ignorance. Rich Dad believed that failure was the best teacher. He pushed for action, to start a business, to invest, to learn by doing. Poor Dad feared risk. Rich Dad used risk as a tool. 5. Mindset is the real game. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how you think about money. I can't afford it. That's what Poor Dad said. How can I afford it? That's what Rich Dad asked. One shuts down thinking. The other opens possibilities. This book isn't just about money. It's about freedom, about learning the game and refusing to stay stuck in the rat race. If you want wealth, don't just work harder. Work smarter. Think different. Learn finance. That's what Rich Dad would say. If that made you think, hit subscribe. One book, one idea, every day.